Hi and welcome to Automatic FFL for Magento. Today we're going to be walking through the installation guide. The first thing you'll need to do is go over to the GitHub repo, and there we have instructions on how to install the extension through Composer. So now that we have our extension installed, we can head over to the Automatic FFL admin and create an account. So you'll hit sign up here at the bottom and put in your information. I already have an account, so I'm going to go to log in. Now that I'm logged in, I can see my account profile, my payment profile, and any stores that I have a subscription for. So the first thing we'll need to do is set up a payment profile. So I'm going to go over here and hit edit. And I already have a payment profile configured. Next, we'll need to create a new store subscription. So we'll choose Magento, put in a name for our store, and then put in the URL. We'll hit create. And once that's finished, we'll see it here in our list of stores. The next thing we'll need to do is obtain a Google Maps API key. So let's go back to the instructions. I'll follow this link to the Google Maps platform. Let's click Get Started. You may need to log in. So here we are. It's going to have us set up our account. It's going to have us enter a credit card for billing purposes. Make sure you provide a business name. All right, and then you'll have to go through this pop-up and go ahead and answer the questions. All right, and then you're provided with an API key that you can use to use the Google Maps feature for Automatic FFL. All right, so the next thing we'll need to do is configure the Automatic FFL Magento extension. So let's go ahead and go to our Magento admin panel. We'll go to Stores, Configuration. All right, so as you can see, the extension is already enabled and we've set it to no for sandbox mode, but we still need to provide the store hash and the API key. So let's start with the Google API key. We'll go back to that tab where it provided it to us. We'll hit copy and we'll put it in here. And then in order to get the store hash, we're going to go back to the Automatic FFL and go to our store that we created here. And it'll provide the store hash for us. So we're going to copy that and we'll paste it here. And then we'll hit save config. And we'll need to make sure that we reset the cache. All right, for the last step, we'll need a way to flag our products as FFL required or not. So let's go back to the Magento admin panel. We'll go to Stores, Attribute Set, and we'll need to choose the attribute set that we want to add this attribute to. So I'm going to go to Default. I'm going to drag the attribute, which you might need to scroll down for, over to, I'm going to put it above status here. I'll hit save. And then we can go over to our catalog, go to our products. In here I have my gun product, which I'd like to flag as an FFL product. So I'm going to hit edit. I'll make sure FFL required is set to yes. We'll hit save. And that should be it. We should expect this to all run on the front end now. So let's go to the front end. All right, so now I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to add that gun product to my cart. We'll go to proceed to checkout. All right, and as you can see, there's now a warning saying that I have an FFL required product in my cart and I'm going to need to ship it to a dealer. So I'm going to click find dealer. I'll put in a zip code. And I'm just going to choose this first one on the list. All right, so now it has selected that dealer as our shipping location, and I can continue on with checkout, just as I normally would. All right, so here I've actually added two different items to my cart, one of them being FFL required and one of them not. And as you can see, it's warning us of that. and it's telling us that we're going to be redirected to the multi-shipping checkout. So we'll hit proceed to checkout, and we'll select a dealer just like we did before on checkout. And this will be for the FFL item. And then for the non-FFL item, I have an address here which I've provided, which it will ship to. So we'll have 2 different shipping locations. And then we'll just continue with checkout as normal. So we'll have a shipping method for each of these locations. And then we can continue on to the billing information and complete our order. Thanks for choosing Automatic FFL. If you have any questions or you have any problem with installation, please let us know and we will get back to you as quickly as possible.